Alright, well, here's the Mini. Put a cool little sticker on there, you know, because I'm sick of everybody riding my ass. Like, hey, I'm going as fast as I can in this thing, alright? Put a spare tire up. I welded some bolts to the actual headache bar, just in case. I'll have to pull the wheel off and the spacer to fit the factory tire, but that's still better than not having a spare at all, I guess, right? That's actually a trailer box I have in the back here. It's not bolted in or nothing, it just fits in there right up against the tire. It doesn't move. It's wedged in there pretty good just to keep stuff dry if I want. A little milk crate found on the side of the road, fits perfect. Again, right underneath the tire, it doesn't slide anywhere. Kind of locks it in, but if you tilt it, it'll go in there. I added some tie down location in both front corners, and then in both the rear corners here. I keep the sand in the back of the bed because I'm pretty sure I need some longer travel shocks after doing the lift, which I will hopefully be doing before winter, because it kind of, you can feel it like top out and then the back end bounces around on you. It's not too comfortable. I tinted the front two windows, and I did add a light bar. I added some Aftermarket LED headlights. They have both high, low, and then this bottom marker here acts as the turn signal as well. I tied it into the running light, the OEM running light and turn signal here on the corners. A little soldering. It's probably hard to see in the sunlight here, but I took the front bumper off, took a torch to it, and brought the natural darker color back out of it. It was very sun faded. It looked like crap. It's better now. You know, I got the wheels, the tires on and everything since the last video. Maybe, I don't know when the last video was. It's been a while. But here's the interior. I made myself a funny little, it almost looks like a drift car style shifter knob for it. It's aluminum with like a thick rubber coating on the outside, solid aluminum. My phone mounts in here for GPS and stuff. Comes in handy. I didn't want to molest the stock radio or anything like that, so my next best solution was a Bluetooth magnetic one. Sticks right on. You can't go wrong. These things do not have a cup holder, which is very inconvenient, so I bought this on Amazon. Also magnetic. Comes in handy. Get your coffee in the morning, water in the afternoon. And then I got some bungees just kind of hanging in here again with magnets, because everything in this thing's unfinished, so why not take advantage of it. I made my own little aluminum bezel and light switch for the light bar, which I just switched on, and I'll also turn on the 4-ways so you can see the turn signals working. Again, in the light it's kind of hard to see, but light bar is on. That's what's the daytime runner and also turn signal that I had wired into the factory wiring. Turn that off. Turn off that. But yeah, it's all in all a pretty clean looking truck. Just a few more things I gotta do to complete it and make it right, like how I want to do a longer travel shock possibly for the rear. I need to make the spacers for the front end just to get that camber sorted out. It's almost there. And then turn the spacers down so that the wheels don't protrude so far out. I can bring them in about 1/4 of an inch. But yeah. Yep, that's it. And here's the, you can kind of tell here the camber in the front. You see how it's cambered slightly positive. I want to get that to 0, so I'm about, I think it was 2 or 3 degrees off, so not too much to go to fix it. Yeah, there's a little update video, long overdue. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.